You try to pick a. Trying to find one that's like less porous. You see how like these ones are quite porous? I think that's just the nature of chestnut. Couple of strokes. When you think it's playing nicely, just turn around and go to the next phase. And after that, when you do all 4 sides for 2 sticks, then turn around, press it into angled side, and you'll be playing in the side. Look at that. Stop. Feel here. See, this is not very smooth, but this is smooth. Do you feel that? Here is a bit rough. Do you feel that? So just work on here a bit more, okay? Do that. Just this bit. That'd be hard to make that. Oh no. Where do you come from? Tokyo? Japanese. Keep it 90 degrees. No. From the end, and then to one of the numbers. Yeah. Okay, so you're 20. 23 or... Chestnut chopsticks.
Yeah, chestnut chopsticks.
You can make it a little bit wider like that. Okay. Up to you, you know.
Yeah.
You want to make skinny finish or make it wider.
So I have to chop it to 25 centimeters.
Yeah. Do you like the angle cut or do you want a square face?
Making chopsticks.